Okay guys, so if you are already working with Google Ads and Google Editor tool, then you probably want to expand your ads. So how easily you can double your promotion? What you need to do is simply go to Google and type here in search Bing Ads. So here it is, bingads.microsoft.com. Simply click on it, and you need to register account here. As you can see, I'm already registered here. Use same email what you have used in Google, and when you register on Bing Ads, you'll be able to there will be option, so uh, import all ads from Google AdWords. So as you can see, same campaigns as I got here. So you will authorize your account from Google. Simply select it, and all ads will be copied to Bing Ads as well. Here you need to top up your account, so simply go to accounts and billing, put small amount here. As you can see, I put only $8 here, and if you will select PayPal and select business location Belize, then you will not pay any tax here, so no tax will be deducted from your balance. So it's a little trick what you can use in order to save your money. As well, if you click on tools, click on Bing Ads Editor. Okay, it's loading. Here you can download software what is similar to Google Editor. It's Bing Ads Editor. Select your operation system, Windows or Mac. Click on any of these buttons, and it will start downloading. So everything is really similar, and you can simply copy everything from Google. Usually I'm doing like this, so I'm using Google Editor and creating a lot of ads, putting here in Google Ads, and then simply when you have completed with your Google Ads account, you can simply create Bing Ads and import all ads here. So these campaigns will be promoted exclusively on Bing.com search engine. So this is how it works, like guys. I hope this video was helpful, and use these tricks in order to double your promotion.